Hello everybody, welcome. Today is the 10th of March, which means it is time to look at our Potomac Beads treasure box for March. And if you don't know what that is, this is a subscription box, a monthly subscription box. This is the treasure box, so it's just a curated collection of beads that kind of goes together. It's great if you're building up your stash, or if you want. I love curated collections because I find that it's much easier. It kind of inspires ideas, and then I can come up with new designs, and it's just fun. But also they put a lot of kind of special edition, limited edition beads in here, so it's good to kind of get some unique and different beads as well. So if that's what you're looking for, this is the treasure box for you. Okay, they also do have a different subscription box, which is a kit box, which comes with 3 projects and the instructions and materials to make the 3 different pieces each month. But anyway, we're going to take a look at the treasure box. And first of all, I want to show you, I got a little free gift in the package with my box of these leaf duo beads, which is so cute. And so they look like little leaves. They actually have 2 holes on the side, kind of like a super duo, or any other 2-hole bead. I'll show you one of them. See, they have 2 holes going through them, so you can make all kinds of really cool designs. So that was just a little free addition that came in my package. Okay, let's find out what the theme is for March. Ooh, pink lemonade. Okay, and it says here, this box offers a vibrant ambiance featuring a mix of soft pinks, muted yellows, and peach tones, etc., etc. You can read that. Pause it and read it if you want to. Okay, and then on the back it shows you the inventory of what you get in the box. So these boxes, by the way, are very good value. I have added up what I've got in the box before, and it actually is, you get more than what you're paying for with the box. So they are good value as well. And you get lots of fun beads. So just taking a quick glance. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love this. This is so cute. Okay, let me take everything out and we'll take a closer look. Okay, so this is everything laid out. I had a little bit of a space issue, so I didn't put all of my seed beads out, and I've just left that there, and that's all. We'll talk about that in a minute. But I just love this color scheme. This is so pretty and spring-like, and I am just ready for this. I love this. Okay, so we'll start over here. So the first thing you're getting some RounTrio beads. So these are 3-hole beads, as you can see here, and they are these are the white Lila luster. So they're a pale pink color, but they're just so pretty, and I love the RounTrios. They're oops, I lost one of them. They're really fun to stitch with because because they have so many holes, you have a lot of options of how to connect them together with other beads. So I just love those. And I do always, every month, do at least 1 project. Sometimes I do 2 for you guys using all the beads in the box. So be on the lookout for that. I'm thinking, I had said last month I need to challenge myself 1 month to try and make as many things as I can out of 1 box. This might be the month. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, okay. Then we have some, these are 10mm square Czech beads, and they're just yellow and crystal swirls. So they just have a hole running up and down. So these are great for stringing on a necklace as an accent, or, I mean, they're just really fun. I love these. These are so bright and colorful and cheery. Really cool. Okay. Next here we have some Czech glass Faceted Rondelles in Crystal Peach. They're kind of actually more like knobbly, I guess would be the way I would describe them. I wouldn't describe them as faceted. They kind of have little, or maybe they've been faceted and then rounded. I'm not sure. Anyway, I think they're really pretty. I love the color. This peach color is very nice, and you get 8 of those. Very pretty little accent beads there. Love those. And then here we get some Czech Petal Beads. So these are the pale gold wash color. And you get 5 of those. So you could make a flower with these, or you can use these. These also make really great drops, like at the bottom of an earring, or you can make a charm bracelet or something with them. Just on their own, just one as a little drop works really well. So you get 5 of those guys, and they're really pretty. Then here we have some, I think these are 12 millimeter. Yeah, 12 millimeter baby pink Czech faceted rounds. Look at those. Aren't those gorgeous? You get 5 of those. So again, imagine that strung together with some other beads in between. Maybe these. Oh my gosh, you could make such a pretty summery, juicy lemonade necklace. So these are really cool. I love those. Okay, then here we have some curved tube beads. These are Athenacast metal beads. So as you can see, you can string through these. Okay. Ooh, you could put them together like that. That would be fun in a bracelet or something, or even an earring. Anyway, so these are 10 millimeters or 1 centimeter long and by 2 millimeters deep. Okay, you get 20 of those. Then here we have some 3 millimeter Potomac crystal AB Bicones. So they're just the clear crystal color AB. Very pretty, very useful. Almost every beading pattern there is calls for bicones. So these are really great 3 millimeter ones. Okay. Let me get them all off. Okay. Then here we have some 6 millimeter. I think these are 6 millimeter. Let me just double check. Yes. Okay. 6 millimeter Czech glass rounds in this pale yellow color. Very pretty. These are also known as drooks. Okay. So you can use these anywhere you would use a round bead, like a pearl or anything else. You can use those. Okay. 6 millimeter. And then we also have here some Potomac pearls, also 6 millimeter. And these are the dark peach color. And you get a very long strand. As you can see, it's longer than my bead mat. Okay. And these are nice pearls. These are, they feel nice and heavy. They're glass pearls. Again, a good standard thing to, everybody uses pearls for all sorts of things, right? So those are the dark peach, really interesting color. Goes gorgeous with these. You could just string that with some of those and it would look amazing. Okay, let's come down here next. These are some 4 millimeter crystal bicones in a light rose. Again, Potomac crystal bicones. Very, very pretty. The Potomac crystals are very good value and they are really pretty. They are nice bicones, so I highly recommend that you go check those out. And by the way, I will link individual products from this box. Like the bicones are kind of always available. A lot of these, the Eva beads are, and the RounTrios I know are, but a lot of these are not always available. So, but any that are, I will link them down below in the comments. Okay, then here we have some 8/0 seed beads, and we always get some seed beads. This month we are getting some Miyuki seed beads, and they are called Translucent Jasmine, and they're the 8/0s. And I love this color. Such a pretty kind of nude, but very sparkly. It's such a unusual color. I love it. Really neutral, would go with so many things. Okay, then here we have some Czech daggers, and these are white, and you get a pack of 25, and these just string through the top. So these are great. You can string them along, you can make flowers out of them. Again, you can use them as a drop at the bottom of an earring. So many uses. Daggers are always welcome here. And, you know, nice to have a pop of white in amongst our lemonade here. This is like our ice. Well, I guess that could be our ice as well. Okay, I love this. These are great. These are some Potomac crystal Navettes in settings. So they are already in a setting. So all you have to do is just use the holes on the setting to sew it into your piece. So you don't have to bezel around it or any of that. It's ready to go, and you get 6 of those. And these are the 15 by 7 millimeter Navettes, okay? And actually my last video, I bezeled around some of these, not in a setting, but but these are so useful to have them in the setting. So I'm super stoked for that. Love my crystals. Okay, here we have some, I'm not sure what, I think this is the front. These are so cute. I know, you know what? I have a really good friend up in Seattle, and she loves daisies and flowers, and these remind me of her. I might have to make her a pair of earrings. Anyway, these are some Athenacast flower pendants. So they do have the little hanging loop at the top. They're really nice and lightweight. You could like put a little bead on the front here and just use it like that. That would be so cute. Or even glue a little crystal on there. Like, you know, you could just put a little, look at that. See, so cute. So these don't even need a lot done to them. They're adorable just as they are. So you get 2 of those, perfect for earrings. Okay, here, they're calling these Czech Cabochon with flower design, okay? That's what they're calling these, but they do have a hole in it. So, I don't know why they're calling it a cabochon. Although I don't know if you can get through the hole. Let me see. Yeah, okay, so it's actually a bead. It's just a bead. But you could absolutely bezel around this and make something really pretty, which is probably what I'm going to do. And the nice thing is the design is on both sides, so they're reversible. Very unique, different. Love those, okay? Love this gold and peach color. So nice. Okay, here we have some 7 millimeter Czech rounds, and they are frosted yellow. And 7 millimeters are kind of sometimes hard to come by, so that is really useful to have those. And in fact, in my last video I did for Potomac beads, in that I believe I used some 7 millimeter rounds, so you can go back and look at that. That was called the Lilac Whisper earrings. Pretty sure I had some 7 millimeters in there. Okay, and last but not least, here we have some Eva beads. These are little gold, Aztec gold is what this kind of matte gold is called. And these are 2-hole beads that can be, you can stack them like that. You can put them, hang on, playing around on my hand here. This is what I do on my bead mat when I'm designing. I just kind of play around with different layouts sometimes and see what comes up. Yeah, you can kind of put them like this arrangement, you know, zigzag arrangement, or you can put them together like so in pairs like this kind of, or you know, however you want to do it. There's so many different ways you can arrange these. So you get a good number of those as well. So anyway, then here, this is super cool. This is a beading ruler, the ultimate mini pocket ruler. Okay, let me open this. So this has been printed. You take this paper off. This is just to protect it while it's printing, okay? See if I can get it off. Okay, I can't get it off right now, but anyway, it does tell you the protective coating can be removed, okay? So the way this works is, say you have a bead, obviously it has the measurements on here, but I don't know what size this seed bead is. Let's say, what is this? You can try and measure it, and if it fits in the hole, that's what size it is. So this one is an 8/0. It won't go into the size 11, okay? But it will drop through the 8/0. And here, let's say I didn't know what size this was. It's not going through the 6mm. Yeah, that's basically 7mm. If I put it the right way. So it's, there you go. It fits through there. So I know that that one is 7mm. So this is such a handy tool, honestly. And they also have wire gauge. So if you're not sure what gauge wire, you can try putting your wire in there and it'll tell you that as well. So I love this. I need to figure out how to get this paper off the back, and then I'm going to be using this all the time. So you get one of those as well. And then obviously I've got my leaf beads here. Anyway, I just love this box. This is so pretty. I love it so much. Anyway, okay, you guys, I hope you like the box too. I will put links for everything down below in the comments or the description of the video. So go down there and check out anything that you're interested in. And if you're interested in subscribing to the box, I highly recommend it. Such good value, really great beads. Anyway, okay, I will see you in the next video. Take care for now. Bye.